the cardboard, and then this first cardboard, and then the string is in the middle. Take out the string, and then there's another cardboard piece. Take that out, and then when you pull the string, then it will just make a really loud pop. And that's what I sometimes do, not usually though. And then next, we have this golden flower. It's a fountain. And so you can see like a golden flower on it, like a daisy. And then we have this little friendship fountain. It's really, really small. And yeah, so then we have, another friendship fountain, but bigger and different design, same thing, a fountain. So put that right there. We got another fountain, golden diamond, in a cone. Woohoo, at a party. Or a unicorn. Okay, so golden diamond. Okay. Then we have this hen laying chicken. No, hen laying egg. And I'm pretty sure that just I don't know, poops out stuff like the pooping dog maybe. More
Poppets.
poppets. Where'd I put the poppets? Oh yeah, we didn't have any yet. Poppets. Yeah, that's from the other pack. So dragon snaps is what they're called. And then a mammoth smoke. It says white. So it has white smoke. It's like a big smoke bong, I'm pretty sure. Okay. And then a golden flower.
Can we have one of those?
Oh, guys, look at this. So friendship fountain and friendship fountain. Golden flower and golden flower. But this one's a little bit taller. 2 pairs. So that's what it looks like. It's a fountain. So, gotta put these back. And then, last but not least, black snakes. There are these little black things about like that. And you light them on fire. And it actually looks like poop. But they make it look like a snake, kind of. So, that's all. And it comes with the backpack. But that's all that we got. And that's last year's stuff. And this is this year's stuff that we just bought. So I hope you like the videos. And yeah, so see ya.